A shiny red bicycle waits patiently for the brave rider to mount.
Mama knows that safety must always come first before the fun begins.
With the helmet on tight, the little hero is ready to ride.
Climbing up is the first step towards mastering the art of balance.
The path ahead looks long. A gentle push from Mama gives the momentum needed to start moving. Speed increases, and the world blurs past the determined little rider. Balance becomes difficult as the wheels begin to wobble and shake. A small stone in the path can change the entire journey. Suddenly, the world tips over, and gravity takes hold of them. The ground is hard, and the fall brings a sudden stop. Tears well up as the little knee feels the sharp sting. Mama watches from afar, and her heart skips a sudden beat. She rushes forward with speed, driven by love for her kitten. She arrives quickly to check on the little fallen rider.
A gentle inspection reveals that the scrape is only very small.
A mother's touch is the best medicine for any little hurt. She wipes away the tears and promises everything will be okay.
A warm hug restores the courage that was lost in falling.
Mama lifts the bike to show that we must try again. She dusts off the seat, clearing the way for new attempts. Falling is just a part of learning how to rise up. With a gentle nudge, she reminds him of his inner strength. He climbs back up, ready to face the challenge once more. Eyes fixed on the path, he prepares to push forward again.
Slowly the wheels turn, as confidence begins to return to him.
Mama lets go gently, watching him find his own steady balance. He is riding. Her heart swells with pride, seeing her little one succeed now.